Hey friends, Texas Bluesman here on Texas Bluesman Barbecue. Appreciate you being here, and just wanted to show you the grill cover real quick. So if you look on their website, you can always get a grill cover with it, and it says a Sunbrella grill cover. So I made this video, and then I found out some things, and now I'm remaking the video. So the Sunbrella is this material here, actually. The Sunbrella is a company that makes the actual material. They don't make covers, if you ever knew. And when you order a cover from Lone Star Grills, when you get your grill, they order the cover before, about a month or two before the date that you're supposed to be having your grill delivered. And then that way, they drop ship it directly from the manufacturer to your house when you order that cover, just so that you know that's how the process goes. Anyway, once again, Sunbrella is the material and not the people that actually make the cover. So when you get it and it comes from somewhere else, then you know why. It says another company's name on it. So anyway, it fits really well, fits around the stack, even the large plate on top of the damper on top of the stack here, it fits around that really well. It has some cinch straps around the bottom of it that, you know, I don't have on right now. So I'm just gonna show you. It unzips from the side. My cover is made by covepointcovers.com. Anyway, so here we go. Like I mentioned, I have both sides loosened, and there we go. You have two straps on this end, a strap on the opposite end, and if we look at the inside of the cover, very, very well made. It's reinforced with a thicker tarp type of material underneath the cover here, that everywhere where it's going to rub, and so really, really nice cover. I know when you look at it, it seems, wow, man, that's pretty expensive for a grill cover, but it is the best material made, and it is made very well. So, hope you enjoyed this short video. Keep cooking.